Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Select Soft Wig from the Ellen Wille Hair Power collection. This is a beautiful, lightweight, soft pixie style with these gorgeous synthetic fibres that are so soft to touch. It's a very comfortable wig that you can just throw on and wear, and it has a really natural, lifelike appearance. I'm going to flip this wig inside out so that we can take a closer look at the beautiful cap construction on her. So here at the front you can see we've got a lovely lace front followed by a full monofilament top. This means that all the kind of hairs at the front and in the centre of the wig look as if they're growing straight out of your scalp because you can see it right through. Then we've got a lovely section of hand tied. This is on a really comfortable stretchy cap, and again it's going to give a really lifelike movement for those beautiful soft fibres so that if your hair is blowing in the wind or anything, it really looks as if it's growing straight from your scalp. We've got a small portion of closed wefting around the back, which just helps to kind of keep the hair in place and give a wee bit of volume. This is an average cap size, but we do have our little Velcro adjusters at the back as well so that you can get a perfect fit whilst you're wearing it. And we've got our little metal stays again in our ear tabs, which again you're just going to kind of mould to the shape of your head so that your wig is going to stay in place all day long. I'm going to get my hair all prepped just now and get ready to pop this wig on so we can see how she looks once she's on. So I've just tied my hair back so it's out of the way so I can pop the wig on for you. So I'm just going to line up this lace front with my forehead and pull her down to the nape of my neck at the back there. Then I'm going to grab these little ear tabs and line them up with my temples and make sure that hairline is about 4 finger widths away from my eyebrows there. So this is how the Select Soft Wig looks when she's on. So it is just a beautiful, elegant pixie cut. I have literally just thrown her on straight out of the box and she is all good, ready to go. Lengthwise, we've got 9 centimetres of length at the fringe, we've got 11 centimetres from the crown, and we've got 5 centimetres at the nape. We've got some lovely tapering and layers going on. This kind of straighter styled synthetic fibres. This is in the colour Mocha Mix, which is a lovely multi-dimensional light brunette with lots of highlights running through it here. This wig is available in a bunch of different colours. I've got a selection here to show you, so I'll pop on the next one. This is the shade Pearl Mix, which is a lovely light snowy sort of white grey colour, again with different highlights running through to give a really natural appearance. And the final shade I've got to show you today is Sand Mix, which is this lovely sort of multi-dimensional kind of deep blonde colour. Loads of highlights and texture kind of running through. I'm going to give you a little spin around so you can see how the Select Soft Wig looks from every different angle. You can see the lovely kind of tapered layering around the side and over the nape of the neck there. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Select Soft Wig from the Ellen Wille Hair Society collection. As you can see, it is just this lovely, elegant pixie style. It's available in a variety of different colours. I have just showed you a wee selection of some of the favourites that we've got here in stock at the moment. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. And you can check out all the other wig reviews we've been making for you on the Judy Plum YouTube channel. Don't forget to head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.